Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, gold is super bullish again. So we have discussed about the possibility of a breakout yesterday, and as per our expectation, gold is flying high. So my dear friend, if you are still having a buy on gold as a positional trader, swing trader, continue, because we can clearly see that gold is heading towards the unbelievable level of 2,800. And right now, market is standing at a record high. Market is standing at the Mount Everest. So obviously, technically, there is no resistance. Trend reversal, God knows. Okay, if market drops after NFP, then we can expect a trend reversal after NFP. But before NFP, without any solid fundamental reason, there cannot be a trend reversal. So if you are having a buy on gold as a positional trader also, you can continue your buy with your stop loss around 2750. If you are having a buy for the last couple of weeks as a swing trader, position trader, hold your buy as long as gold is trading about 2750. If gold drops below 2750, exit immediately. Try to look for buy at retracement again. Okay, and if you're a day trader looking for fresh position in the market, buy at dip or buy at retracement is the best trading strategy. Let's look at the market sentiment first. Gold edges higher. US economic data in focus. Gold hits new record on safe haven bid. So yes, the market sentiment has not changed much. So market is still bullish. So my dear friend, if you want to be on the safer side, then obviously you should try to be on buy position only. I'm not saying that there cannot be any correction. Yes, there will be corrections. But as a trader, you should always try to take side of the higher probability. So right now there's a high chance for buyers to make money instead of sellers. Selling can give you the excitement, the thrill, but we are not gamblers, we are traders. So in this market situation, obviously you should try to be on the buy side only. And my dear friends, when I'm on vacation, Dotbee can be your perfect friend who will be providing you with live market analysis from time to time, because Dotbee is an AI-powered chatbot that not only answers our questions but also provides real-time market analysis. So you can see that Dotbee is providing analysis of gold here for the 15 minutes time frame. You can also choose your preferred pair from here and your preferred time frame, and you will be receiving live market analysis from time to time that will help you to take decisions based on the technical analysis. And Dotbee is very easy to use also. You just simply click here, open the Dotbee application, and you can also watch the chart and enjoy the live market analysis at the same time. Isn't it awesome? My dear friends, feel free to check out Dotbee for live analysis. The link is in the description. So we are back on the chart of gold again. So if you look at the higher time frame, let's say the weekly time frame, then obviously market is standing at a record high, and technically things are not very ideal right now. A retracement is due, but earlier also we have seen that gold has moved without any retracement. So if you want to make money in this situation, then obviously you need to be on the buy side only, because still there is no news about the fundamentals. From the fundamentals. And if you look at a daily chart, then also we can see that the market structure is higher highs and higher lows, and right now market is standing at a swing high. So obviously there should be some retracement. Maybe the retracement will come after the NFP, but as of now there is no sign of retracement. So again, I'm repeating, if you're having a buy on the chart of gold as a position trader, swing trader, hold your buy position with your stop loss around 2750. If it drops below 2750, you can exit. When market will drop or market will come for correction, you can look for a new position. And if you're looking for fresh position in the market, then obviously buy at retracement or buy at dip is the best trading strategy. Right now we have 4 levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy. The first level is around the first level is around 2773.5. The second level is around 2768. 2768.50. The third level on the chart of gold is around 2764 and the third level is around 2759 to 2760. You can see these are the three levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy at retracement if market comes down. The first level is 2773.5, second level is 2768.5, third one is 2764, and the third level is 2759.60. These are the levels where you can look for buy at retracement. But as we can clearly see right now that gold is super bullish, there is no sign of retracement. In this situation, obviously, buy at breakout is the only trading strategy we can follow. But obviously, buy at breakout is riskier. But if market doesn't come for retracement, we can't help it, isn't it? So yes, you can look for a buy position right now, but do not go with a big lot size because eventually the market will come down. Market is heading towards 2800. That doesn't mean that it will be a clean road. Maybe after 50-60 pips, market will come down. Okay, so if you want to go for a buy, you can go for buy breakout, but okay, go with a small lot size. After the breakout, when market will come down again and the same level 2783, when the same level will become the new support, then you can enter again because the previous resistance will be the new support. Okay, and maybe market will face some resistance around 2800. It may not be a trend reversal, but yes, after some retracement, market may go beyond 2800 as well. Right now, sky is the limit for gold. So if you have already taken a buy breakout, well and good. Okay, well and good. But if you don't want to take high risk, buy at retracement when the same level will become the new support. Okay. And that's all, my dear friends. Nothing much to say. Follow proper risk management because gold is super bullish right now without any retracement. So things are very fragile. Buying and selling both are high risk and try to avoid sell. Okay, because no news yet. And there will be no videos tomorrow, day after tomorrow. My next video will be on 5th or 6th. 5th of November or 6th of November, because after 6th of November I won't be available again. Okay, I am flying to my native place. Okay, so after that, okay, when I will return back to Kolkata again, okay, because I have a flight to catch to Vietnam. Okay, maybe in that gap of 1 or 2 days I will be uploading a video again because I would also love to see what is going on in gold. Okay, so be careful, follow proper risk management, do not gamble. If you're a beginner, new trader, okay, do not try to make huge money in small moves. Okay, it is better to go small right now because when logic doesn't work, okay, okay, you should stay away. Okay, because when market is normal, market will give us plenty of opportunities to make money. Okay, so whenever, okay, you will have the urge to gamble, always think about your family. Your family or your family photo is the biggest stop loss. Okay, in my initial days when I was unable to control my emotions, okay, I always had the photo of my family on my mobile screen because it helped me a lot. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Love you guys. Bye bye. Take care.